You know, it reminds me of the cranes in the Butterworth container terminal. One whole stretch of the cranes in the Butterworth container terminal. This is the crane with wings. Oh, jangan naik dengan kasut. Oh. Say. Yeah, Kialang. Kialang. They do. Like? Not your ex-mother-in-law, but your mother-in-law's former house. The mother-in-law is still there. Wow, this used to be chùa. You see? Trên cái là chùa. Wow. They should clean it up lah. Oh, love Penang. We are at the very edge of Penang. Second time.
Oh, second time, huh?
That more than second already. But where we are walking will be the second time.
Second time, huh?
First time with video.
Oh, okay.
Wow, such a blue sky day. I love this. Hey, that's an arm. Oh. Siku. Oh. I see.
Leave abandoned.
Oh, this is some form of campu. Okay. Let's see whether I can cross from here. Hả? Cứ chạy bằng gì đấy hả? To be yes. Hello. Huh? What's your name? Khai bẹ khai sư vậy. Ha. Nào lên nhớ lại á. Mr. Neil? Are you Mr. Neil? Đây chú cái chiều ra nó bật cái trời. Hả? Dentist hả? Correct á hả? Cái này có sự kiểu cho revertment. Xì lố tiệu. Ha, xì tiệu. Ha.
I think you say yeah.
Ha. Ta kia cái bên á. I mean là kia cái chiếc bên á. Well, always follow the hàng khói rồi. Ha. Đây cái chiếc capsy cái này. Why are you so capsy, huh? Thank you, chiếc cái. Hello, business new. So cold no. So this is the mouth of Kuala Muda of Muara Sungai Muda, or just Kuala Muda lah.
Muara Kuala Muda. Sampai day ni kaya mah.
Silo?
Boleh discontinue the.
Xem chị em. Sila?
Authentic is sweet, huh?
Sia? Ha.
Not peaceful, just.
Silo? Oh, I'm back again at Chipeng, so I'm really enjoying myself right now.
Bang, boleh tumpang saja. Sekarang tu bisik-bisik masih ada?
Sini lah.
Oh, masih ada?
Sini lah.
Oh, sekarang sini bukan dulu kat sana kan?
Sini Penang.
Tahun dulu.
Sini Penang, sana Kedah.
Oh, sana Kedam ya.
Oh, sini Penang.
Dulu ada bot boleh bawa pergi sana.
Ah,
Dia orang bukan orang sini.
bukan.
Oh.
Dia orang Kedah orang.
Orang?
Orang
Orang Seberang.
Kedah lah. Kedah. Kita banyak.
ini punya bagi dia.
Sekarang dah ada lah.
with the waves that play and the nights that sway. Penang, you take my breath away.